Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello, Minecraft adventurers. In this video, I will explain how to get and use a leap feather in Minecraft Bedrock. It's important to know that the leap feather is not a standard item found in the vanilla game. It comes from an add-on. This special item allows you to perform a quick forward dash, greatly improving your movement and parkour abilities. It's a fantastic tool for navigating tricky terrain or escaping dangerous situations, adding an exciting new dimension. To begin, you will need to acquire and install a specific add-on that introduces the leap feather into your game. You can find these add-ons on various community websites, such as CurseForge or McPedal, which host many creations for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Always make sure the add-on is compatible with your version of Bedrock. Once downloaded, simply open the McPack file, and your game will automatically import the new content, making it ready for use in your worlds. For even greater control and customization, consider using third-party software such as DS4 Windows or DualSense X. These powerful applications provide advanced options like fine-tuning dead zones, adjusting sensitivity curves, and creating multiple profiles for various games or specific in-game roles. A significant benefit is the ability to emulate an Xbox controller, which can improve compatibility with many PC titles. This level of detail ensures your PlayStation 5 controller feels perfectly integrated with your PC gaming setup. Using your newly crafted leap feather is intuitive. Simply interact with it, such as by right-clicking, to activate its power. This action will instantly propel you forward with a swift dash, covering several blocks in a short burst. It is perfect for quick escapes, navigating challenging parkour courses, or gaining an advantage in movement. For those creating custom maps, similar leaping effects can also be achieved through the clever use of command blocks, offering flexible design options.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.